Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you all in the pink of health. Okay, now we are going to continue our lesson, which is compare number. We are going to compare the value of two numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. Now let's look at this picture. Compare number. Amy, she's holding number 146, and Shahira, she is holding number 214. Which number is larger? Okey, maksud larger di sini ialah besar. Okey, sekarang kita lihat 146. Ini ialah diagram untuk 146. The purple one represent 100 and the yellow one is 40 and the blue one is 6. Kita dah belajar dulu kan? Okay, now let's look 214. Warna purple ini, the purple one 200, 10 and 4. 214. So, macam mana kita nak tahu, macam mana kita nak compare number, which number is larger, kita lihat pada purple. 100 and 200. 200 is larger than 100. So, the answer is 214 is larger than 146. Okay? Okay, kita akan pergi kepada slide yang seterusnya. Which number is smaller? Look at this picture. 754 and 791. Okay, now I'm going to use a place value chart. Okay, place value chart, we have 100, tens and ones. So we're going to write down the number, start from 100. 7, 5, 4 and 7, 9, 1. So look at this column. 100. 7 and 7 sama kan? Kolom 100 ada nombor yang sama. So kita tak boleh nak compare. So kita lihat kepada kolom yang sebelah. Tens. Kolom sebelah di atas 5, di bawah 9. So which one is smaller? Mestilah 5 kan? 5 kecil daripada 9. So 5 is smaller than 9. 754 is smaller than 791. Am I right? So the answer is 754 is smaller than 791. Okay, faham? Okay, kita pergi yang seterusnya lagi sekali ya. Okay, now I'm going to use counting frame. Okay, kita dah belajar ini kan, counting frame. Okay, now, which is less? Apa maksud less? Less sama maksud dengan smaller. Okay, less sama maksud dengan smaller. Then more is more than sama maksud dengan larger. Okay, nanti kita lihat. Sekarang kita lihat pada less dulu. Smaller. Okay, now look at the counting frame. 623 with 643. Okay, now look at first counting frame, 100. Sama kan? 6. And this one also 6. 6 and 6 sama. So, kita tidak boleh compare. So, now we look at tens. Tens have 2. And this one, we have 4. So, 2 is less than 4. Am I right? Okay, look at again. 2 less than 4. 2 mesti kecil daripada 4. Betul? So the answer will be 623 is less than 643. Okay? Bila kita dah lihat 100 sama, kita tengok tens, kita dah boleh compare. Perlukah kita tengok ones? Sudah tak perlu. Tak payah tengok ones dah. Bila kita dah dapat compare tens, kita tak perlu lihat pada ones. So, bila kita buat perbandingan nombor, kita compare nombor, kita mesti mula daripada depan. Okay, ini tips dia. Kalau nak compare number, if we want to compare number, we have to look at the front first. Okay, nombor di depan. Jangan tengok di belakang, tengok di depan. Okay, now let's open your activity book, page 12, and I'm going to explain question A. Okay, compare the number and write larger or smaller. Okay, looks 134 with 234. Now I'm going to use number place value chart, which have hundreds, tens, and one. Okay, we have to write daripada mula. Kita masih tulis daripada depan. 1, 3, 4. And the other one, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so kita nak compare number ni kan. So kita mesti lihat kotak yang pertama, iaitu 100. 100 ada 1 and 2. 1 is smaller than 2. Betul? 1 lebih kurang, lebih kecil daripada 2. So, perlu tak kita tengok tens and ones? Dah tak perlu kan? So, the answer is 134 is smaller than 234. Okay? Faham? Do you understand? Okay, now I will show you next example. B. Question B. Look at the question B. 380 with 250. We need to find out either it's larger or smaller. Alright? Okay, I'm going to use place value chart again because I think it's very easy to understand. Okay, cikgu rasa bila guna jadual ni senang lagi nak faham. Betul? Okay, now kita tulis daripada depan. 3, 8, and 0. And the other one, 2, 5, and 0. Okay, look at first column, 100 column. 3 and 2. So 3 is larger or smaller? Of course, larger. 3 lagi besar daripada 2. Okay, so kita dah dapat jawapan ke belum? Yes, we already have the answer. And the answer is 380 is larger than 250. Okay? Betul tak jawapan? Pandai. I know my student is very clever and I know you will understand what I'm saying. Okay? Okay, now for the next one. Okay, sekarang kita dah buat question A dan B. So we are going to continue C, D, E, F, and G. So I think it's easier than H. So I think you can do it by yourself. And I'm going to explain more about this question. H, because I think it's a bit confused. So I'm going to explain and I need you to listen more carefully, okay? Okay, now look, 912 with 921. Okay, I'm going to use place value chart. Okay, now we fill in the blank 9, 1, and 2. And the other number 9, 2, and 1. Okay, now look at the first column, 100 column. It seems right. It have 9. First number is 9 and the second number also 9. So we cannot compare the number in this column. 9 dan 9 sama, kita tak boleh nak compare. So kita berpindah kepada column tens. Okay, now look at first number 1 and the second number is 2. So 1 is smaller or larger than 2? Okay, cuba fikir kejap. 1 smaller or larger? Of course, 1 is smaller than 2. Alright, good. 1 is smaller than 2. Dan dah dapat jawapan belum? Kita dah boleh tulis isi jawapan dekat sini belum? Kita dah boleh isi kan? Sebab kita dah tahu 1 is smaller than 2. So the answer should be 912 is smaller than 921. Okay? Faham? So cikgu harap hari ini murid-murid semua dapat jawab soalan pada muka surat 12. Sangat senang. Dan tolong sambung pada muka surat 13. Sama juga caranya, sama tajuk, same topic, compare numbers. So today we are going to finish our activity in page 12 and 13. Okay, I'm going to wait your homework. I need you submit your homework as usual, snap the picture and send to WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to check all the answer. Okay, all the best. Thank you.